I need you to listen, listen. I need you to listen.
What's up, guys? Welcome, not guys. What's up, girls, ladies, young women, beautiful young ladies, and my grown women. Welcome to my channel. My name is IB Janelle. Today, I'm gonna jump straight into it, and we're going to be talking about Alipearl hair. It's a wig that I ordered from them. I always order from them, you guys. I love their product. Hair, whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I ordered a wig from Alipearl, bought with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. I'm gonna be giving y'all pure opinions about this hair. It's not a lie. Alipearl, I believe a hair company on AliExpress. Is it? Correct me if I'm wrong. But how did I find Alipearl? I think I saw, wait, yeah. I was searching on YouTube, curly hair, a wig, of course, because I don't like to do bundles and the frontal and sew in, things like that. But I typed in on YouTube, curly wig. I can't remember who was the girl that made the video about the hair, but her hair was so pretty. I'm talking about when she wetted, she did a style. She did the wet look, and girl, the curls were so pretty. I clicked the link and I ordered the hair. This is not my first time getting this wig. It's just that good. This is actually my second time. Well, actually, yeah, my second time getting this particular wig, which is the deep wave, and it's 20 inches. It's a lace front. I've actually ordered 3 times from Alipearl. No, 4. The first time was the deep wave. The second time I got a 613 blonde. It turned out great. It was kind of like a lot of bad reviews comment, you know, whatever about it on the site. To me, the blonde hair, it was on point. I got so many compliments. I dyed the hair blue. It's like a royal blue. That was the second time I ordered from Alipearl. And I ordered a regular straight lace front wig. It was 18 inches. It was really good. And here we are again, back to the deep wave 20-inch hair from Alipearl, because it's summertime and I need that curl. But we're gonna jump straight into it. And I'm gonna go to the clip. I'm going to film the hair out of the box, and as well I'm going to be bleaching my knots and customizing the wig to my liking to fit my head. So yeah, but before I do that, one more thing. Inside, this is the bag that it came in. You get 2 caps, the Alipearl, how to take care of your hair, clean, comb, dry, how to wash your wigs, a wig bag for the girls that like to take their wigs out at night. I don't. I just, yeah, sleep with it, whatever. But we gonna get the wig. It's kind of pre-plucked just a little bit, but I'm gonna go in and, like I said, customize it to my liking. So yeah, really cute, pretty girl. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm just getting ready to prepare the hair to bleach my knots. I'm going to start by combing the hair back to get all of the flyaways out of the way. And I'm going to spray it with some got to be glued freeze spray, which is going to hold the flyaways in place so that I won't bleach any of them. Now for bleaching my knots, I'm going to be using this Quick Blue bleaching powder. And I have some 40 volume developer. I also have 20 volume. And I'm going to pour this into the bowl. And I started off with 20 because, you know, I want to take the process kind of slow. I feel like if you rush it, you're going to ruin it. So yeah, I did about 3 times with bleaching my, frontal because, girl, I was scared.
I was scared. I was like, I do not want to overdo this and, ruin this whole wig. So I did start off with the 20 just to take the process slow and observe it. So here I'm just mixing it until I get a cake paste, like icing. I want the mix to be thick like cake icing. That way when you put it on the lace, it doesn't leak through and bleach the hair. You're only bleaching the knots. So here's the frontal after I rinsed it out the first time. Like I said, I did go in 3 times with bleaching the knots, and as you can see, the knots are still showing just a little bit. So I'm gonna go back again and bleach it. So here's the result after I went in the second time with the 20 volume developer. You can see a difference, but the knots were still showing. So after this, I went in with the 40 volume developer and bleached it a third time, and everything took. So before I bleached it the third time, I just went in and, started plucking and styling the wig just to get an idea of how I want the wig to look. So here you are going to see some of the knots still showing, so don't get on my case. Do not get on my case. I went in a third time and everything took, so this is just me, styling the wig.
So here we are, you guys. This is the wig installed and completely dry. I did start off with the wet look, and it was, yeah, it lasted. My curls are still popping. I love it. And the only reason it's a little bigger and frizzy is because I kept running my hands through my hair. This is Alipearl. The Alipearl Deep Wave 20-inch wig. Everything. 150 density. Really good wig. It's so thick and plush. Like, this is some plush hair. You can't go wrong with this wig. I will leave the link in the description box for you guys to go and check out this wig if you want to purchase this wig. And you should, because it's really good.